Hi kids, how are you today? How's your day going? Today I've come to take a walk in the park. I love going for a walk. It feels so good. Hey! Wow, what's that? Look, it's a rabbit! Yes, but it's a very strange rabbit. And look how it jumps. What is it carrying? Oh, I think it's a watch. Rabbit! Oh, where are you going? What? It went into that tree. What if I go in and see? Let me try. Wow! I can't believe it. But where am I? This world is fantastic and beautiful. But I don't know where I am and where is the rabbit? Oh, wow, look at these flowers. How strange and peculiar are they? They have
Hi
eyes
girls, what are
and a
you so
mouth.
surprised about? Here, we are all alive. We are the chattiest flowers in the whole forest. And don't worry, our friend, the rabbit, will come back for you. But first, you have to help us. Are you ready?
Yes, of course. I am ready and I want to help you. But what do I have to do?
We love learning English, and
Okay.
today we're going to play a game with you to find the missing words. Look, we have these sentences, and each flower has one.
I'm super ready. Come on, show me the first sentence. Here it comes. Oh, I brush my teeth before breakfast every day. And what is the word I need to find? Brush. Okay, I can't find that word. Let me see. Oh yes, just here, behind these rocks. Great. Okay. Great. Show me one more sentence. Oh, she brushes her teeth every day before breakfast. I see. Okay, when I say I brush my teeth, I don't need to put the es after the verb. But when we use the personal pronoun she or he, we have to put it. She brushes her teeth. Yes. Let me see. Where? Can you see the word brushes? She brushes. Hey! Just there! Behind those bushes, right? Yay! Come on, show me another sentence. All right. I eat fruits for breakfast. Okay, I understand that sentence. I love fruits. And we need to find the verb eat. Okay, where is I eat? I eat. I eat. Oh! Hey, just behind you, tiny flower. I got you. Great. Super. Okay, one more sentence. I'm super ready. She eats fruits for breakfast. Again, remember, I say I eat. But if we use the personal pronoun she, we must add an s at the end of the verb. And where is that verb? Where is the verb eats? She eats. She eats. She eats. There's a tiny cave there, but I don't see anything. Maybe the word is inside. Hey, firefly! Can you light up the cave for me? Yes! Great! The word is in there! Super! She eats fruits for breakfast! Great! Yeah! Look how it's flying! Fantastic! Super! Thank you!
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello again! Today's worksheet is about the present simple but not the auxiliary, but the conjugations. Alright, look, in present simple, we need to remember that every time we use the subjects, the personal pronouns such as he, she, or it, we need to put the verb in infinitive and the ending s or es. Look at this. He jumps every day. Okay, he jumps every day. I jump, no s. You jump, no s. He jumps with s. She teaches English at the school. The teacher teaches, okay? I teach English. You teach English. She teaches. We need the es for she, he, and it, okay? So let's paint the underlined verbs and choose the correct picture. On Saturday, he plays basketball. I always start with purple because purple is kind of my thing. So let's fill it in. Plays. On Saturday, he plays basketball. He plays basketball. So is this, yes, I think I'll do it all with markers this time. So, and I can put the number 4 here, okay? This is the number 4. Yes, it's this picture. Then, I brush my teeth before dinner every day. As I have I don't need the s or es. But if I would have here he brushes or she brushes, okay? So this time let me go for the orange and I paint BRUSH and I brush my teeth. This girl is brushing the teeth, right? So this is the number 3. Well done. Then let's go for this third sentence. They eat fruits for breakfast. The children, they, okay, 2 people, eat fruits for breakfast. If I have she or he, I would add an s at the end of the verb. So it will be he eats or she eats fruits. But if we have they eat. They eat is the number 1. Fruits for breakfast. And then finally, let's go for, I'm going to take the yellow one. And this is super clear. She goes to school in the morning. Can you see? The ending goes. We have es, okay? I say I go, you go, she goes to school in the morning. And that is number 2. So let's paint this like that. Great! And we have it, guys. Well done.